Okay, well I thought that I'd do one more step on this because I know that this thing just is going to overheat in summertime, and so rather than do that now, just keep going now, I thought I'd actually do this now. So basically what I've done is I've put a small case fan on there, and you can just see the cork that I've put in there, which I screwed into to make sure that the cork expanded and it gripped onto the fins. So basically that's now a pretty tidy arrangement. So for power, I came out the side here and around the back, and I found over here that there is a plug that had nothing in it. So to make my end for that, I basically got a little piece of copper wire and bent it and soldered it on the end of my wire. I used a heavier gauge single core piece of copper wire to fit into that plug, and now I'm going to hot melt glue it up, but I'll finish it off with a few more cable ties around the whole thing. So there you go, now we have power. So to test it, I can just turn the ignition key on. Hear the fuel pump going, and so now that's going to augment the cooling because that's blowing directly onto the heatsink there, and I can feel that, and it's actually doing a pretty good job. So now my vent, which comes up in underneath here, will actually also be able to augment this in the summertime, because I just don't think it was getting enough flow to really do the right job. Anyway, hopefully